What's up, Team Buckhouse? Johnathan Buckhouse here. And in today's video, I'm going to give you guys reasons why you shouldn't be afraid to come snowboard in the terrain park when I know it's intimidating. You might be scared to get in there, but trust me, these are going to be the reasons why you should snowboard in the park opposed to trying to do stuff on the runs. All right, guys, reason number one, and this is the most obvious reason, the park is built to learn. It's got small features that then go to larger features. If you're hitting the correct park for your level, it's safe for you because it's built to learn on. So hit those smaller rails, those smaller boxes, those smaller jumps, and then all of a sudden you can take it to the bigger jumps, you know, as you progress and learn. The next reason why you shouldn't be afraid to come in the park and hit things in the park and do stuff in the park is because these features have a design landing, the smoothest transition to whether if you land it, it's gonna feel good, or even if you fall on it, it's not gonna hurt as bad because the jumps, the rails, they all have a nice landing for you. So you're not hitting this side hit to massive amounts of moguls or to a flat spot, you know. Every jump's gonna have a nice smooth landing, you know, every rail is gonna have a nice smooth landing and a nice entry into it. Another reason why you shouldn't be afraid to come into the park is because you checked out my park etiquette video, and in that video I covered how to flow through the park and not get in people's way. I can see why a lot of reasons like I don't wanna go in there is I don't wanna get in the way of all these people. There's so many people going through it, but if you understand that terrain parks have a way to navigate through them, safe spots to be, not safe spots to be, then you can ride through with more confidence knowing like I'm only gonna hit one thing in this massive park, but I can ride past everything else and not worry about being in anyone else's way, and everyone's gonna be stoked that I'm in here learning. The next reason why you shouldn't be afraid to come into the park is no one cares what you're doing in here. Once again, if you're flowing through fine, you're not in the way or making other people's lives in danger, no one's gonna care that you're falling or learning or anything. Everyone's in here learning something. I come into the park every day because every day I'm trying to learn something new and it's awesome. But I don't care what any of these guys are doing, you know what I'm saying? As long as they're safe, you know, they're not gonna hit someone else or whatever, you know what I'm saying? That's the only time most people are like, what is this guy doing? He's gonna kill someone. But no one cares what you're doing. So don't be afraid to come in the park and think, everyone's watching me. Trust me, they wanna learn their own tricks and just hang out with their friends and stuff like that. No one's watching you, man. And then another reason not to be afraid to come in the park is people are awesome and they want to help other people get better at snowboarding. So if you have a question like, yo, I've never hit this rail before, do you have any tips? Dude, I'd give you tips. Other people give you tips. I have a whole snowboard playlist on tips for hitting stuff in the park, because the more people riding the park means the resort's gonna put more money into the park. So every park rider wants more people ripping the park, once again, just safely. I'm gonna try a new trick right now. It's not a new trick, but the trick that I've gotta work on. My final thoughts of why you shouldn't be afraid to ride in the park, and obviously a lot of people's reason is I don't want to get hurt. But I have to be honest with you guys, skiing, snowboarding, all of it in general is an action sport, and every time you strap into your snowboard, strap in your skis, whether you're riding the runs, you know, you're hitting the trees, all of it is dangerous. There is a clear level of danger when it comes to an action sport. So you're risking the same danger on the run as you are inside the park. Normally, my biggest injuries come from riding not in the park. So come into the terrain park and just know, hey, I might fall. I'm here, I'm doing an action sport, it's part of the game. You know, there's just that level of risk that comes with the sport. So don't be afraid, like, I'm gonna get hurt in the park. You're probably gonna get hurt on the run too. It's not a matter of when, it's just a matter of if. No, it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Well, you guys know the saying. Anyways, what are your guys' thoughts on being afraid of the terrain park? I don't know everything about snowboarding. I've been doing it for 13 years, so I'm just sharing my gems, my knowledge with you guys, and I thought this was a cool video topic point. So comment down below, why should other people not be afraid to come ride in the terrain park? Or if you're afraid to ride in the terrain park, also share that information down in the bottom. Maybe I can reply to you and give you some more confidence to get in here. With all that being said, check out other awesome YouTube channels out here making videos too. This community online is awesome. So many great people. We live in such a cool time for snowboarding. So check out other creators, support them, because a rising tide raises all ships. And with that, Team Buckhouse, if you like what I'm doing, subscribe if you're new, smash the like button, snag an Evolution sticker if you want to support what I'm doing, because I do this for a living. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow with another video, because it is daily on this channel.